To sum up this example, we'll show that when Jim and Cindy specialize according to their comparative advantage, they can produce more in the same amount of time. So, as we just discussed, Jim has the comparative advantage in painting. That means that Jim should focus on producing painted rooms, and Cindy, who has the comparative advantage in planting, should focus on flowers. It does not mean that Jim exclusively paints rooms, as we'll see. So in this example, Jim has 260 minutes. It takes him 120 minutes to paint a room, but there are 2 rooms to paint. So painting both rooms would require a total of 240 minutes. Remember that Jim does not care about painting the living room. The only reason he paints the living room is to specialize, to take advantage of the increase in the production of flowers. So at the end of the week, Jim has 20 minutes left to plant flowers. And in 20 minutes, you'll recall that Jim would be able to plant just 1 flower. From Jim's perspective, if he only consumes what he produces, this is not a good deal. He got his room painted, but only planted 1 flower rather than 7. The key is that when Jim focuses on painting rooms, it frees up Cindy to plant flowers, and she's comparatively better at that. So Cindy has all 260 minutes to spend planting flowers. Only flowers here. And how many flowers can she plant in 260 minutes? 26. So at the end of the week, not only have they painted both rooms, but they've planted a total of 27 flowers, which is more than the 25 flowers they planted when there was no specialization. So because Jim and Cindy both benefit from planting flowers, Jim is better off specializing, allowing Cindy to plant more flowers, and they're both happier at the end of the week. Notice that we've increased production here without any change in our resources. Both people still work 260 minutes per week, but we've produced more simply by shifting production according to comparative advantage.